Hello traders, this is John from Parabolic Trading. We are currently onboarding new platform automation members in our community. This service is for traders who wish to get into the prop trading space and wish to get funded with a large capital. Our team of professional traders pass the challenges, get you funded, and continue to manage their accounts for you. We are only taking on prop firms that have been around for years and leaders in the industry so that you can be sure to never be denied any payouts. We do have a cap on how many members we take on for each prop firm, so don't miss out. So if you guys have been struggling to get funded with prop firms, why not let the professionals take care of your accounts for you, get you funded, and continue to manage their accounts and make consistent profits. So with Parabolic Trading Institute, we are only recommending 4 different firms that we are taking on for automation. And the reason is that with these 4 firms, we have never had any kind of issues with the payouts for our members. In our Parabolic Trading Institute VIP group on Telegram, we now have well over 1,000 members who consistently make payouts, whether it's on prop firms or on their live accounts on their brokers. One of the firms that we're always going to recommend is FTMO, but obviously for the US clients, they cannot sign up for FTMO, so we do have a few other options. One other broker that we recommend is actually Funded Next. For the US clients, we're going to recommend E8 as a prop firm. We have secured multiple payouts from them as well, and so have all of the members in our group. And if you're international clients, then we will recommend FTMO. Funded Next is another one. Very similar models on their challenges. And then for US clients, Effexify is another option. So we are going to be taking on these 4 prop firms. In the future, we're going to be adding on 2 more prop firms, possibly with Alpha Capital, Funding Pips, and 5%ers. For the members who signed up with a $200K account for these prop firms, they have made over 6 figures in payouts in just about 4 months. For the members who signed up with a $100K account, then you guys can expect the profits to be exactly half. So it's going to be about $60,000 in just about 4 months. Still not too shabby. For 4 months, making $60K, that's about a year's salary. So if I go to my MT5, these are the exact same profits. You can see $222,183, just like on the Social Trader tool right there. $222,183.20. We are very transparent with our trades. Even when I go to my iPhone mirroring on my MT5, these are the trades right there. We have not lost more than 2% on a single day. We are trying to keep it at 1.5% maximum daily drawdown. You can see that it is exactly the same, $223,183, just like on the Social Trader tool. So I'm going to show you guys what you guys can expect on a 200K account if you guys sign up for the prop firm automation. So just on the week, we did about 5 figures on the 200K account. Right now, the biggest loss that we had was right there, 1,648. And then on GU right here, we lost less than 1% on this day. So we only had 2 losses on this week. So bring our profits to about close to 5 figures, close to $10,000. Last week, we did about $8,000 in profit. This is something that you guys can expect if you guys sign up with a 200K account. On a 100K account, you guys can expect half of, and there's only a limited number of people that we accept for each prop firm. That is because we cannot have the same exact trades or multiple account management. We do make slightly different entries and slightly different take profits for each account so that none of the accounts will get flagged. If you guys are interested in passing your prop firm accounts, getting funded, and you guys are tired of trading with only limited number of capital with $1,000 or $2,000, this is the only way you guys will be able to trade with $100,000 or $200,000 capital. Again, the prop firm automation accounts start from $100,000 and above. We do not take prop firm automation accounts for anything less. If you guys are interested in getting funded $100,000 and above in your prop firms, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our partners, and he will also help you get started.